Hello, Bachu. This is Mamta Badoria. Today I am presenting a class related to class 6 in Geography, Chapter 1. The chapter name is Wonders in the Sky. Let's start. Everything we see above the surface of the earth is a sky. It is a celestial sphere. It has no beginning or end. During the day, we see the bright sun, but at night, the sky looks very beautiful with the moon and millions of teeny shining objects. Some of them shine brighter than the other. Next slide is universe. Objects that we see in the sky, that is the sun, the moon, and all other shining objects, are called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. Together they form the universe, a system of millions or billions of stars with gas and dust held together by gravitational force is called a galaxy. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. Our solar system belongs to the Milky Way galaxy, which is also known as Akash Ganga. The picture is also here. You all look this. Okay, next star. The celestial bodies in the sky which are bigger and shine brighter are called stars. These are made up of gases and produce their own heat and light. The sun is a medium sized star, the group of stars which form a recognizable pattern in the sky. It is called constellation. Two such constellations are the Great Bear or the Ursa Major and the Little Bear or the Ursa Minor in India. The bright star, which is almost directly above the North Pole and which remains in the same position and round the clock and throughout the year in the sky, is called the pole star or the North Pole. It is also called Polaris. It is the brightest star in the constellation Ursa Major. The solar system, you all know about that. The sun, eight planets, the dwarf planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteorites together form the solar system or the solar family. The picture of solar system is also here. The sun, the Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. This is also the picture of sun. Here some spots also we observe. The next slide is related to planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Planets do not have their own heat and light. They reflect the light of the sun. In order of their distance from the sun, they are number 1 Mercury, number 2 Venus, number 3 Earth, number 4 Mars, number 5 Jupiter, and number 6 Saturn, number 7 Uranus, and number 8 Neptune. An easy way to memorize the name of the planet in the order of their distance from the sun is my very efficient mother just served us nuts. It is a trick of memorize the dis, uh, distance from the sun. Okay. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun is in fixed path. These paths are elongated. They are called orbit like this. This is orbit. This is the picture of orbit. You all see this. Okay. Now next slide. We are going to learn about some planets. Mercury. Mercury is nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus. Venus is considered as Earth twins. because its size and shape are very much smaller to that of the Earth. Pluto. Pluto are dwarf planet. It is not related to planet. Uh, and number three is the Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. Mars. Mars is called the red planet as it appears reddish in colors. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. The great red spot observed on the Jupiter is believed to be an area or high pressure creating a magnetic storm on the planet. Saturn. Saturn is nicknamed at the ringed planet because of beautiful rings present around it. Uranus is the seventh planet of the solar system and also the coldest of all. Neptune is the outermost planet of the solar system. Its atmosphere is very dense. Next, we are going to learn about the Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the pole. That is why its shape is described as a cuboid. Cuboid means an earth like a shape. You also see the picture here. The shape of earth is cuboid. That means earth is tilt on their axis 66.5 degree tilt. This is the picture of earth. You all look it. And next, uniqueness of the earth. Why earth is unique? You all know about that. Earth is unique. Why? From the outer space, the earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the earth. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen, also present in here. So, we call Earth is a unique planet. Next, satellite. There are two types of satellite, natural satellite and artificial satellite. The moon, natural satellite. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. The moon revolves the earth from west to east. It takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. The changes in the shape of the moon are known as different phases of moon. Full moon nights are called Purnima in India, while a no moon, a new moon night is called the Amavasya. Both Purnima and Amavasya also awake in a month with an interval of 14-15 days in between. Artificial satellites in the sky, there are man-made satellites also. They are called artificial satellites and are designed by the scientists. These are placed in the orbits around the planet with the help of rockets. The Chandrayaan, Aryabhat, Bhaskar 2, INSET 1B, 2B, GSAT 7, etc. are the example of artificial satellites. In latest, we are also see that Chandrayaan satellite launch in the south pole of the moon. Next, other celestial bodies. Apart from stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous other tiny celestial bodies which revolve around the sun. They are dwarf planets, asteroids, meteorites, and comets. And the chapter is end. Okay, bye bye. Like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you.